and welcome. Today's video, I am so excited because the spring Fab Fit Fun Box literally just showed up at my door. So we're going to be unboxing that today. Can I just tell y'all the pics that were available? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, before we jump into today's video, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel, to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, and those of you that are sharing these videos over on Facebook. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all of your help and support over here. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we're gonna have a good time unboxing today. So if you've never heard of the Fab Fit Fun Box, this is actually like a quarterly box. You'll get it like 4 times a year, and I do have a coupon code. It is code HOTMESS to save you 20% off your seasonal box. That's gonna run you under 50 bucks, like $47.99. Hey guys, gotta interrupt real quick here. If you want to get yourself an additional gift, use code HOTMESSGIFT, and that's going to get you, get this, that is going to get you a free bundle of products valued at over $200 when you sign up for the annual membership of Fab Fit Fun. You get to customize this box. We're talking full-size beauty, lifestyle, fitness, like I get really excited for this box. This is, I think, my second or third time unboxing this, and Haley and I will be coming back and we will be doing like a mother versus daughter Fab Fit Fun. You guys really like that unboxing, so yeah, your girl's bringing that back to you guys as well. So stay tuned for that video as well. I do want to give a big thank you to Fab Fit Fun for working with me in today's video and actually sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much. And you guys know I like to do first impressions, which I know what you're probably saying, Rhonda, you just said you get to customize it. I know, but here's the thing. I have the brain the size of a walnut, so memory is not my forte. Okay, so anyways, but I can tell you I was really excited about this. Jumping right in, spring 2024 first, and I did get to customize this. So these picks are my picks. You may pick something totally different, but the first item I did pick is something that I absolutely love. I literally use it multiple times a day because if you guys don't know, your girl has major anxiety, okay? And I also suffer with depression, and magnesium spray to me is where it's at. So this is by Aloe, and it's a magnesium reset spray. It has magnesium, amla, arnica, valerian, aromatherapy. This is a nice, wonderful mist. So in the mornings I will spray it like on my chest area. You can actually spray it in your armpit area as well, and it actually will help with any type of like BO type of dealio. I mean, make sure your pits are clean, you know what I mean? But it actually does help, and it absorbs really well for your armpits. And then in the evenings I will, after I take a shower, I will do this same thing. But if I'm having a little bit of a stressful day, I will actually spray it once again on like my chest area. I'll spray it on my wrist. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is amazing, and she's expensive. So I typically pick it up at Sephora, but when I saw this was a pick for Fab Fit Fun, I was all about that. Plus on top of it, with Fab Fit Fun, they actually offer like a little shopping store at like discounts up to I think like 70% off. So you know your girl's gonna be eyeballing that for sure, because this stuff, heaven sent for someone like me who is major anxiety ridden. Matter of fact, now I'm thinking about it, I think I'll take this bottle and put it in my car or carry it in my bag. I think that would be really smart, because when I'm out and about and I get a little like anxious, and I'll be chill. Moving on, this was a hard pick for me. So fun little fact, I'm the type of person that when I'm going through my Fab Fit Fun picks, I will research each product, okay? I won't just go based off of like the most expensive thing they offer. I will go and be like, is that really that much? Like, if you guys remember last quarter, they had on the winter box, I think it was, or maybe it was the fall box, the Free People blanket. Still obsessed with that. I have it on my desk chair right now. It keeps me nice and cozy in this frigid temperature. But anyways, yeah, I looked it up. The numbers are real, okay? So the prices that they're giving you are legit, but it's nice because some of the items, they're either brand new to the market or they are there and you get to read reviews on them. So this is actually a really pretty glassware set, and look how pretty it is. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but it is freaking single digits here in Kentucky. I am ready for spring, okay? I'm ready for summer. I love the summertime. So I thought these would be so adorable, and they're legit glass. I was scared they were going to be plastic. Now, the last box, I picked out the cakeware, and I was so excited about that plate, and I used it all through the holidays. I flipped it over, used it as a veggie tray, used it as a cookie tray. Like, I love the whole lifestyle aspect of Fab Fit Fun. I thought, how cute are they? They're so giving me spring vibes. Like, this just makes me so happy. Like, can you picture it? A nice little orange juice in the morning, sitting outside, the nice warm breezy air, or a mimosa, like whatever you're feeling, you do you, boo. But look how pretty these are, and they're nice. They are so nice. I mean, you could use them as decorative things too. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, Haley actually has a rainbow themed wedding coming up. How cute would these be to put like the little like rocks or whatever that is, those different colored crystal rocks in there, and use them as little votives on the table? Wonder if they are selling these in the store. Well, these are really cute. That's all I have to say about that. I'm really excited about them. With a rainbow themed wedding, these are just, they're so cute. And they are actually by, it says Yield on the bottom. So I assume that's the brand. It's a 10-ounce Millennium stemless glasses. So I mean, I'm sure you could use this as like wine glasses too if you wanted. Like a little girls' night, movie night, fun night, relaxation night, bath time. In here, I have heard about this brand nonstop all over TikTok, and I kid you not, I actually had this blush in my cart ready to pull the trigger and do it. This is by Dibs, and they had 2 different shades you could choose from, and you know my backside was all over the Dibs website double checking, making sure this was in fact the shade that I did have in my cart, and it was. So I ended up picking shade 2, You Do You, and Mood Boost. So on one side you've got your blush, which is so me. Like, isn't that such a pretty pink? I love pink. I mean, could you tell I love pink? Anyways, and on the other side you've got this nice like little bronzer, great for travel. It's almost like it's cooling. Could be because it was just outside. But I was really excited about that. Like I said, I see this brand all over TikTok. It's a woman-owned brand and woman-started. And actually, she was just on a podcast, and it was just wonderful to listen to her story. And I don't know, I just was really excited to try it out. It's nice, it's creamy, and it's not sticky or anything like that. So I am really excited to play around with this. This is because you guys know I started working out again after I broke my collarbone, and I was finally healed enough to kind of start working out. So I still have shoulder problems. If you guys don't know, I broke my collarbone July of 2022. I do have issues with my shoulder being sore and everything. So this is a muscle, and it's a pain relief recovery gel from African Botanicals. This was one of those products that I did a little Google search on there. The reviews were really good on this, and now that I've picked up working out and I've kind of started running and everything, this is going to be really nice because mama's muscles get a little sore. So I will keep you guys posted on this. I could use all the muscle recovery reliefs possible, I'll tell you that much. I mean, I don't know who really is like, it's hair washing day, I can't wait. If that's you, then, you know, congratulations. Congratulations. I do not enjoy washing my hair. It's like a whole process. And going back, story time, Gemini, ADHD, I'm going to do that. But when I did break my collarbone, my poor husband was in charge, obviously, of like washing this. And he's like, it really is a process to wash your hair. And like the steps you take when you shower, I'm like, so I love me some dry shampoo. One of the choices was the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I've tried the Living Proof dry shampoo in the past. I really love it. It's bougie. She's expensive. I've picked it up at like Sephora, Ulta before. But when I saw this was a choice and you could save me like 20, 30 bucks, I was like, say less. here we go. Next in here, this is the Dr. Jart Ceramidin. Wow, Rhonda. It's a skin barrier moisturizing cream. And I actually picked this one up for my youngest because my youngest, like me, well, actually, we all have dry skin, my kids. Well, maybe not my son, but anyways, so I picked this one up because she was saying, you know, Mom, my skin just feels really like dry. What do you have? And so with this in mind, I picked this up, and once again, I went over to Sephora. I was reading the reviews on this. The reviews are amazing. It is a skin barrier, like it says, moisturizing cream. So I'm definitely hoping this helps her because it does have 5 different ceramides in here. So hopefully, fingers crossed. With this air is so dry. Like, my husband's being all cute. I go to give him a little smoocheroonie, and, you know, I get shocked. And he's like, I just shocked you with my love. And I'm like, kind of hurts though. So yeah, I got to start running more humidifiers in this house because it's a lot going on here. That is everything for today's spring 2024 Fab Fit Fun box. And you guys, I am so excited. I am so excited. Name brands, and I got to pick this box. I get to customize everything in this box. So make sure to use code HOTMESS to save yourself 20% off, making your box $47.99 for your seasonal membership. That's right, you're gonna get 4 boxes a year that you get to customize. I love that. And I'm just telling you guys, the brands, lifestyle, beauty, full size, you just can't beat it. We've seen Free People in the past, First Aid Beauty, the list goes on and on and on. So definitely make sure to check my link and my code down below. And thank you guys if you do use my code. I greatly appreciate it. This alone, I'm telling you, is like a $40 magnesium spray, and it's a good one. This is one of those magnesium sprays that does not sting your body. So that's another thing. You can put it on your armpits, your feet, your chest, what have you. I'm telling you, it is going to be a game changer for my anxiety-ridden friends. So thank you once again to Fab Fit Fun for sponsoring today's video. I'm telling you guys, I love the fact that we get a little bit of everything. There's the lifestyle in here. We've got a little bit of the beauty. We got some hair care. We got some sanity right here, baby. Might not give you patience, but it's gonna give you some sanity, and Mama needs a lot of that. If you're interested in picking up your Fab Fit Fun box, you want to save that 20%, you want to do a little shopping also, check out my link down below. I get excited about it, and like I said, I've got another box coming for Haley to unbox as well. So we are going to do a mother versus daughter unboxing. Like I said, I am really excited, and these I want to see if I can purchase because that would look so cute at her wedding for sure. So anyways, have you already gotten your spring Fab Fit Fun box? Let me know, what did you customize? Like I said, these were all of my picks. There was a lot more things that you could have customized versus this, and I was really impressed with the customization. So anyways, friends, don't forget to follow me on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Then of course, Hotmess in the Kitchen. Haley and I also have a podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess. Check us out over on Spotify. I'll have it all linked and listed down below for you guys. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma04. And once again, a huge thank you to those of you sharing these videos over on Facebook. I definitely appreciate it more than you know. And of course, to our YouTube members helping to support the channel, and to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, mwah! Thank you guys so much. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. And yes, I will have this linked for you guys. It's from Amazon. I think I forgot to put it in my storefront, but it's in there now. This is from Temu. Could you imagine? I'm pretty sure that we'd have marble in the background if this was real. I'm just saying. Okay, bye guys.